Hi, I'm Rania. Welcome to E52. I'm your teacher, and today we're going to learn the present perfect continuous tense.
Good morning, Montez.
Good morning.
Can I help you with anything today?
I've been looking at a few universities and I was wondering if you could give me some advice on applying.
Yeah, I'd be happy to. Can I see your class list?
Of course.
Okay. You've been doing very well in your classes.
Thank you.
With this kind of performance, I can definitely assist you. And if you'd like, I can give you a letter of recommendation.
That's great. I've been reviewing a few universities that I'm interested in.
Oh, wow. That's some folder. Okay, and how long have you been researching universities?
Well, I have been researching for a few months now.
Okay. And what do you want to major in?
I want to major in computer science.
Wow, okay. There are a lot of great universities that deal with computer science. Do you want to study in this area or elsewhere?
Well, if I could stay in San Francisco Bay Area, that would be perfect.
Sure. Stanford, Berkeley, University of San Francisco. These are all highly ranked universities with computer science.
That's great. I've been reviewing Stanford's computer science faculty and I really like their professors.
Yeah, they've been winning coding competitions all around the state.
Oh, wow, I've never heard of that.
Yeah, programming competitions are becoming a really big deal. Students are getting scholarships from schools. Businesses are hiring former champions.
That's very intriguing.
Yeah, if you're interested in coding, you should definitely check it out.
Okay, so based on your information, I will basically apply to Stanford.
Yeah. With your grades and your experience in computer science, you will definitely get into Stanford.
Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Bye.
Bye.
We use the present perfect continuous to show that something is incomplete and is still in progress or being worked on. For example, I've been reviewing Stanford's computer science division fairly heavily, and I really like their professors. I have been looking at American colleges. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about how long something has been occurring. For example, I've been coding and working with computers for many years. I have been enjoying the San Francisco Bay Area ever since I arrived. We can sometimes use either the present perfect or present perfect continuous with little or no change in meaning. For example, I have been enjoying the San Francisco Bay Area ever since I arrived. I have enjoyed the San Francisco Bay Area ever since I arrived. The present perfect continuous can be used in affirmative or negative statements. For statements, we use have or has plus been followed by a base verb form with ing. For example, I have been looking at American colleges. You have been doing very well in your classes. He has been studying in the library for at least 3 hours. She has been tutoring kids in elementary schools. It has been raining non-stop since February. We have been competing in tournaments across the country. They have been waiting for a table for 45 minutes. For negative statements, we use the word not after have or has but before been. For example, I have not been waking up early enough this week. You have not been turning in your homework on time. He has not been watering the plants in the garden. She has not been editing her papers. It has not been working since we had it repaired. We have not been helping each other out. They have not been focusing on their studies. When asking a question in the present perfect continuous, we switch the subject and have or has. For example, have I been contributing enough to the project? Have you been exploring any of those schools? Has he been coding for the correct program? Has she been working overnight? Has it been making this noise for more than an hour? Have we been doing this wrong the whole time? Have they been paying attention to the manual? Okay, now let's practice using the present perfect continuous tense. He has been eating for 15 minutes. He has been running for an hour. He has been working all day. He has been playing video games for 90 minutes. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. Okay, let's practice answering present perfect continuous questions in the affirmative and negative. 2 images will appear, and I will ask you questions about them. Have they been meeting for an hour? Yes, they have. Have they been working all day? No, they haven't. Has she been playing video games? No, she hasn't. She's been cleaning the yard. Have they been driving all day? No, they haven't. They've been driving all night. Have you been listening to a lesson on the present perfect continuous? Yes, you have. Now it's your turn. And remember, you've been doing very well, so let's keep it up.